10 Best Kegel Exercises for Men. Kegel exercises are pelvic floor muscle exercises that can be helpful for men in improving bladder control, treating urinary incontinence, and even improving sexual function. Here are some of the best Kegel exercises for men. 1. Basic Kegels. Squeeze the muscles that you would use to stop the flow of urine. Hold for a few seconds and release. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 2. Elevator Kegels. Squeeze the muscles at the base of the elevator, floor, then the middle of the elevator, midway, and finally the top of the elevator, ceiling. Release in reverse order, ceiling, midway, floor. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 3. Super Kegels. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles as hard as you can and hold for as long as possible, then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 4. Quick flicks. Contract your pelvic floor muscles as quickly as you can and then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 5. Slow and steady Kegels. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles slowly and hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 6. Double Kegels. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles twice in a row, with a brief rest in between. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 7. Bridge Kegels. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Squeeze your buttocks and lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then lower your hips back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 8. Squat Kegels. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and toes pointing outwards. Slowly lower yourself into a squatting position while contracting your pelvic floor muscles. Hold for a few seconds and then rise back up. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 9. Lunges with Kegels. Step forward with one foot and lower yourself into a lunge position while contracting your pelvic floor muscles. Hold for a few seconds and then rise back up. Repeat with the other leg. Repeat 10 to 15 times. 10. Side-lying Kegels. Lie on your side with your legs straight and your top leg slightly in front of the bottom leg. Contract your pelvic floor muscles while keeping your hips and pelvis still. Hold for a few seconds and then release. Repeat on the other side. Repeat 10 to 15 times on each side. Remember, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider before beginning any new exercise routine, especially if you have a medical condition or are recovering from surgery. Regenerate response.